Welcome students. In BA part 2nd, paper 1st, we discussed already one poem, The Soldier. The second poem, Going, and today on third poem, we are going to start our next poem, that is The Lotus Eaters by Alfred Lord Tennyson. The Lotus Eaters, very important poem, not only of Tennyson, but also whole boundary of English literature. Alfred Lord Tennyson, a very well-known personality in English literature, also was the contemporary of Robert Browning, belonging to Victorian period. If we are discussing about Victorian period, then basically the first two names that is coming in our mouth is Tennyson and Browning. So we consider Tennyson as the major representative poet of Victorian era. Now we come on poem The Lotus Eaters. Before we start the poem, the title should be complete in mind. The Lotus Eaters. Eaters is a well-known word, E-A-T, eat, one who eat. Yes, lotus, that is an important word, L-O-T-O-S, should not be confused in spelling. It is not Indian lotus, L-O-T-U-S. No, it is not L-O-T-U-S, but it is L-O-T-O-S. So it may be an African plant, very magical plant, which creates some type of the mindlessness in the brain. You can understand about lotus, that is a plant of magical beauty. It creates some type of songs in mind. So this is the Lotus Eaters. The story of poem is something historical, and the details that was given in poem is a historical details. The great important personality in history, that is Ulysses, who is the speaker of this poem. Try to understand the theme. Ulysses is the speaker of this poem, and he was also the king of Ithaca. In poem, he plays the role of captain as well as the king of Ithaca. Now they are coming back to their home state, Ithaca. What happened in the mid of way, that is the presentation of poem. इस पोइम के अंदर जैसे यूलाइसस अपनी सारी सेना लेकर वापस अपने घर आता है, इथाका आता है, उससे ठीक पहले एक विचित्र, ए वेरी स्ट्रेंज नेचुरल ग्राउंड दैट वाज नोन विद द नेम लोटस केम. What happened there, what they felt there, that is presenting in poem. So Ulysses is the hero of this poem, he is the speaker of this poem, and we can consider him as the captain of army or the king of Ithaca. So what he speaks to his soldiers, also one thing is important here. He speaks to his soldiers as mariners. That was a voyage, समुद्री यात्रा थी. तो यूलाइसस अपने साथियों के साथ आ रहा है. इन कंप्लीट पोइम ही एड्रेसेस टू मैरिनर्स, टू ऑल हिज सोल्जर्स. पूरी पोइम में ही इज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इट, एंड द बेस ऑफ दिस पोइम, द स्टोरी ऑफ दिस पोइम is not the personal story of Tennyson. No, he take the story from anywhere. There is the source of poem, means the story has been taken from Homer's Odyssey, book 9, article number 82, in which Ulysses considered as hero. The description of his wandering, the description and the detail of the land of lotus eaters, all these are presented there in that book by Homer when they are coming back in homeward after a war. And what happened there? It was a long war. After 9 years, 10 years, they are coming back to home. So what happened there? At the time when they are just reaching to their home, before some distance, They just found a very magical natural place, that was the lotus state. What there? What is special there? Everything was special there. The public, the people who are living there are very natural. They have a special type of the habits and the activities, that they never work anything. They always eat lotus and then sleep. So the effect of lotus is very magical. Anyone who ate lotus must be sleep. It creates a magic, a spell in mind, जिसको अपन कहते हैं कि नशा, means every time sleep and sleep and sleep. If get up, take again lotus, again sleep. So they are never working anything. This was the motto point. The mariners here start a revolt against the king, that my dear king, our king, why we are going with you? We work with you, and then we have found any type of the food. Here the food is available free. Then if we can feed our body, if we can feed our life without any hard work, then why we should work hard? They also prove their logic that we are now very old, and in this old time everyone should take rest, so we should also given rest. All these types of you can understand. There was a collection of logics, there was a collection of arguments that was given by the mariners to prove that this is the better place. The poem divided into two parts. In first part, there was the detail about the natural beauty. There was the detail about the natural activities and the natural background in lotus state. Then everyone, when they reached there, they have given the fruit lotus, and after eating lotus, all are mad. All are, you can understand, full of spell, full of magic, under affected by lotus. All are sleeping there. One person, why they stay there, that is also important. The journey, it was a sea journey, that is depending upon the atmosphere, upon the climate and the weather. So now they stay because the weather was not suitable. But at the present time, when the wind is also floating towards the direction, it was important for them. They just start their journey again and reach to their corner. But now they are not agreed to go forward because they want to stay here permanently. It was a matter of problem for Ulysses. Then Ulysses addresses to his company, Ulysses addresses to his mariners that, oh my dear mariners, now the weather is very suitable. Wind floating is also in the same direction. So we should start our journey. But here they revolted and put various type of the reasons, various types of the logics that it is better for him to stay. And then it was very important, and it becomes very impressive how Ulysses speaks to them. Although Ulysses is also affected by lotus, he also want to stay here, but he was a king. And so he addresses to his mariners, not only an address, but also motivate them that, my dear friends, my dear mariners, we just start here. And what is the response he finds by the mariners? That is important. And the second part of poem is also important. Second poem's title that was given, a part's title is Choric Song. Choric, we know, the song that was sung in a group, that is choric song. So both parts are separately presented. In first part, natural beauty. In choric song, there is the reasons, there is the logics, and various types of the logics are given, that how mariners prove their statement that they will stay here. So now it is the time to read poem line by line. So let's come with me and start the line. It is a long poem. No matter, we will complete it timely. Let's open the book and start the poem in our next class.